Team, here we are. We're getting ready to do a window clean, basically with a soft wash application. We got our microfiber brushes, and what we're going to do, we already treated we got our treatment, our solution. Our solution today consists of sodium percarbonate to eat all the dust. So take a look at the window frame. All right, come on, let's move quickly. But you see all in here. Let's zoom in there, get all the dirt, all in this right here. You want to get these window frames, but when we get done, this glass is going to be streak free. Not that there's streaks on it right now. Take a look right here. Same thing right there. Don't step on the frame. All right, so we're going to do a soft wash, very, very, very light to minimum, no pressure at all, basically. Right? So just look at those. Look inside the dirt and the frames in there. So again, if we get it streak free, we want to use our easy glass clean professional window cleaning solution. And this stuff is strong. This makes over 200 gallons. So we just use like a couple teaspoons to put. I got a gallon of water right here. Take a look. There we go. Just that much right there. A little bit in our sodium percarbonate right there. And voila, we're done. So now what we're going to do here, we want to top everything off, get everything out of the way. And this stuff's expensive. We're not wasting it. Time's money. And it's a precious commodity. There we go, look at that. I hope you can see all that right there. That gives us a streak-free clean. The same thing over here. Here's our solution that we're going to be washing the screens with. We have sodium percarbonate. Very, very slight minimum of easy glass cleaning here. Professional grade. And we're going to go ahead and get our top on. I need you to hustle and get that gray top over there. Come on, hustle and go get it for me real quick. So here we go right here. And this is going to be doing our cleaning for us. We're going to hit our ball valve real quick, shut the water off, put this on top. Now, of course, guys, we always, and I have mine, we always have safety goggles. Safety goggles are in the rig. In this example, I'm doing my house. But nonetheless, you always want to be safe, right? Keep safety goggles on. If you look at this, very soft. Very soft. See? Hand right on that. So let's come over here. Let's get me the hose right there. Hand me that hose right there. And I have my gloves. Matter of fact, go ahead and give me my gloves since my gloves are getting kicked all around. We're going to just drop our dip line right in the solution. Right there in the solution. And then we're going to go ahead and connect it to right here. And this is going to do our cleaning for us. And again, we'll just come double back really quick with the microfiber brushes. You can see the brushes right here. We have the brush all clean. You want to keep it all clean. But first we want to clean these windows of any debris or any dirt. And that's how we do our window clean. Here we go. Like that. Look at all that. Look at it. You can see hose, man. Come on, get the hose. Hose again, please. Thank you. The hose got to come around. I got to be able to bring that hose around. Make sure you don't get debris and stuff on, like there was just some debris on here because this hose dropped. The hose man was slipping. All right, here we go. Again, just like that. That's simple. Next one. Okay. And while we're at it, we're going to be cleaning the screens as well. We're going to treat the screen as well. And slightly. There you go. This right here. Next one. And we go ahead and hit the top one as well. Here we go. That's something flying in your face for sure. So now, if we let that do its thing, we'll double back here. We're going to take this off here. We gave our treatment for our first one. You can see that's less than less than a minute or so, or less than a minute and a half. Set our hose down. And we'll follow up here with our scrub brush. Microfiber brush. You've seen how we treated it already, right? Come back. When you're doing this here, sure that you get all the way around, all this corner there, all up in there, up in there. Now for the top ones up there, what we're going to do, again, you always want to also use a rag. You have a rag to kind of get into these corners up in there to keep those tracks clean. Now, for our tracks, and then our top one as well. For the top one that now that those were treated there. Now, some people work from ladders or whatever the case is. This is just an example. We want to dip this into the solution. Okay. And we're going to go up top of there. We're going to stretch this thing out and reach that top window there. Okay. This is why you really should have glass one. Don't start coming down. Get to the next one. Okay. So now, go ahead and bring this down. We don't want the video to be no more than 5 minutes, right?
You're at 6. You want me to end it?
No, you can let it go for 2 more minutes. So now that we did this right here, get right here in this window. Take a look, guys. The importance of cleaning windows. When you clean the windows, get those frames all clean, like that. Come back and rinse it, and have it streak free. Okay. What we want to do is that one. Voila. Next one, we got frame clean. You always want to get the frame clean. Make sure the frame's clean. Okay. Next one. You see this? You see this frame right here? Look at it. You see all that? So we want to get all this stuff. It's been sitting there for the whole summer, right? Get that frame clean. Clean around the frame right there. What people want when they get this frame clean. All right, now we're going to just double back here and give it a nice good rinse. A nice good rinse. Okay. We'll set that down right there. And you saw. Look at those frames. They come back here. Now when we're rinsing the screen, again, it's all soft. Come up like this. And these screens are pretty clean. See, the frame is all clean. There we go, that one's done. Do the next one. Top one up there as well. Okay. That's all done.
Okay, let's wrap it up because we're about to be at 8 minutes.
Okay, that's fine. I'll just have it a minute over. Okay. And let's watch those dry right there. They're gonna dry streak free. Okay. So the water, what you see, the water beads up. So it doesn't leave streaks on it. That's what you want to do. So again, that was just one half. I got 2 more halves to 3 more to do. Again, allterraine.com. This is what we do as an add-on. We do this for our existing clients or whatever the case. If they want to give us a call, you want to give us a call. We're in the Sacramento region. We've ever done work for you. We'd love to come out and get your windows sparking clean, streak free. allterraine.com. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.